So right now I'm using my my VIZIO shield on there. The screen looks pretty nice screen. So I'm playing around with the picture mode, calibrate back, vivid. Oh my god, this is nice. Game, computer, standard. I'm gonna leave it on vivid right here. You can see the difference between the HDR and the SDR. It's beautiful. The green is vibrant, and some of it is a bit exaggerated. It's just like what Samsung does, but it just makes it look so sweet. So this is the HDR video on YouTube, and you can see it's banging. So this is basically when you walk into the stores. This is, you know, they play the really high definition media on there to really bring you in, and you're like, when I go home, I hope I can get it like that. But you know, it's one thing to have TV that can play 4K and HDR media, but where do you get it from? You know, there's no cable channels that are really giving you that kind of display right now. But we know it's there. We know I wasn't expecting. I'm not really expecting my Netflix and those kind of stuff to be banging like this. But this showed true color. Charlie, I'm out.